The 30-day challenge. The main thing that I want to prioritize is talking to you guys about my 30-day challenge that I'm going to be doing March 2024 this month, and I already started. We're 3 days in. I have a total of 6 things I have to do every single day that are mandatory. No ifs, ands, or buts. I have to do these 6 things every single day for the next 30 days. First thing that I'm going to be doing every single day is this right here. Good morning, and welcome back, family, to another video. And today I have a lot planned for you guys. First things first, we have to get started with the VIP Trading Network. It is Monday morning. It is the start of the week, so you know what that means. New week, new money, new opportunities. So right now I just hopped out the shower feeling fresh. You know what I'm saying? Y'all saw the cut that we got last week before Puerto Rico. If you haven't checked out the Puerto Rico vlog, make sure you go check that out. We got about 20 minutes till 9:30. 9:30 is the New York Stock Exchange open, and that's when I like to trade. Ideally that 9:30 to 10:30, that prime hour is really where I try to prioritize getting a good setup. And if I don't get a setup within that hour, I try to lessen the chance of me taking a trade if I don't find nothing within that time frame, just because that gives me the highest probability of catching a trade that's going to actually play out. So with that being said, let's hop over to the trading setup. She wanted to take a little shit in my room while I was taking a shower, so that's why you're staying in the cage today. This lighting right here ain't that bad. Alright, so let me sit down. So it looks like I'm gonna be the one starting the video chat. We're gonna get active. Like I said, if you haven't joined VIP Trading Network, make sure you join it. We trade live every single morning, and that's what we're about to do right now. Right now it is 9:19. We got about 20 minutes. So let's get to work, get this money, and get active. Right now we in longs on NAS 100. We just took it at the 4-hour run of that low into the gap. Ideally, I want to see it reach for that previous day's high. As you know, we took the trade, the group. Kino already took longs on US 30. You can see how those ended up playing out. Went stupid. So now I'm trying to see if NAS can give me a reaction. 30, I did have a bearish idea, but it looks like it may already be slowly playing out. But we'll see what NAS 100 does. This is the first trade. We shall see. While I wait for this trade to do its thing, I gotta show you guys, this is what you need right here. This is what my mom always used to tell me to take, like to not get sick. I never used to take it, but once I moved out and I started getting sick and she started telling me to take them, she bought me a pack. And I drink these every day now. I try to drink it while I'm trading just because I'm usually just sitting there and I got the free time like right now to go grab a water and get it. But this shit's crack. You gotta stay healthy. Health is wealth. It's 10:45. I've been in this trade since about 9:30, 9:40, around there. I'm not sure exactly when I took the trade, but this trade is taking forever. This is gonna be the only trade I take today. And the one thing I want you guys to understand is you don't need to be taking trades every single day. You don't need to be taking multiple trades every day. You want to be taking quality trades. Quality over quantity. And right now, this trade has the chance of potentially playing out because we are in profit and it is showing a willingness to play out. So what all I got to do is be patient. So let me just show you the trade while we wait. So right now it looks like price is coming back down to my entry, so I did add a little bit more into it. So now instead of risking about 230, I'm risking about 430 in total to make it so if I can win this trade 100% and it plays out, I'll make about 1200. But right now we're in break even, so we'll see what happens. Only time will tell. It is getting later in the day. Most of the people from VIP are starting to scatter away. 11 o'clock. As long as we can still hold this area, it will still play out. So only time will tell. And unfortunately, we just got stopped out. It wasn't a major loss. I did add into the position like I told you guys. So it was an L, but like I said, you can't win every trade. Every trade that you take, the only thing you can control is why you're getting in. You can only control why you're getting in or when you're getting in. You can never control the results. You're never going to be able to anticipate what the trade is going to be like once you place it. The only thing you control is where you get in, where you put your stop loss, and where you put your TP. The result is never up to you. So I'm not mad at it. We followed the rules, and now I want to get into the 30-day challenge. The main thing that I want to prioritize in this video is talking to you guys about my 30-day challenge that I'm going to be doing March 2024 this month, and I already started. We're 3 days in, so let's get over and talk about it right now. Stomp me out to start rejecting? No, that's crazy. Now, if you go higher, I'm gonna be upset. That's tough. I'm gonna leave this chart just like this. We're gonna keep in this mind later on in the video. We're gonna come back to this. We'll see if it's gonna play out or if it's just gonna keep dropping. So what is a 30-day challenge? Essentially, I have a total of 6 things I have to do every single day that are mandatory. No ifs, ands, or buts. I have to do these 6 things every single day for the next 30 days. Well, for the next 27 because it's already 3 days done and I have completed it. So without further ado, let's get into what those 6 things are. The first thing that I'm going to be doing every single day is this right here. And by this right here, I mean posting one YouTube video. One YouTube video that's long form, not a short, not a little 2-minute video, no, an 8 to 10 minute video every single day for the next 27 days. And for the March, I need to do 30 days. That is every single day. And why am I doing that? I'm doing that for one, because I understand that if I post content every single day, if I give value every single day, if I'm consistently doing something that I'm not as good at yet every single day, I'm only gonna get better. I'm only gonna build a bigger audience. I'm only gonna get more views, and I'm only gonna get better at editing videos and building the habit of even just recording the videos in general like this right now and just getting in the habit of doing that. The second thing, it has to do with social media, is not YouTube, but I have to post one reel. So just as I'm trying to build my audience, I'm trying to get consistent posting content on YouTube, I'm trying to build my audience on YouTube, I'm doing the same thing for Instagram. My main 2 social medias that I like to promote my services, promote my products, promote myself and my life are Instagram and YouTube. So primarily for the next 30 days, I need to make sure I post at least one reel a day. One at least. That's the bare minimum. I could post 2, I could post 3, I could post 4, but I need to be posting 1 a day, bare minimum. And I have that so that by the end of the month, I'm gonna be consistently posting at least every day on social media. I'm gonna be posting every day on YouTube. I'm gonna be posting every day on Instagram. And those are my main 2 social medias. Yes, I could also be posting on Twitter. I could be posting on TikTok, but I'm sticking to what I know and I'm sticking to what works for me. And I'm sticking to just what I already know is going to work and what is already working. The third thing, this is something that I have been talking to you guys a lot in other previous vlogs. I'm going to be working out at least 30 minutes every single day for the next 30 days. And this is something that I'm not doing it just to get big. I'm doing it to build the discipline. I need to do things I don't want to do. I don't want to work out. I don't want to go to the gym. I don't want to put myself under pain, but I have to. It's going to build traits within me that I can then use in trading. I can use in my content creation. I can use in just being an entrepreneur in general. The traits that you build in working out, the traits that you build in following rules, the traits that you build by having a consistent plan and following a plan and doing things you don't want to do are going to create you and mold you into that person that you want to be. They're going to mold you into that person that can have success, that can have money, that can make money. You can make money. You can make a lot of money. You have to build yourself into the person that can do that though. And fourth, this is something that I used to do a lot. When I was making a lot of money, when I was making $30,000 a month for 3 months consistently, I was doing this very thing. And that is affirmations and visualization. So you may have heard about affirmations. I like the way it makes me feel. I like the confidence that it gives me. Now, the affirmations you tell yourself, they could be different depending on what you're going through in life, depending on your strengths, depending on your weaknesses. But at the end of the day, you need to speak to yourself. What you tell yourself is what you're gonna believe. Your beliefs are everything. What you tell yourself is your reality. If you tell yourself you're successful, you tell yourself you're rich, if you tell yourself you're fat, if you tell yourself you're loyal, that's what you're gonna believe. And the more and more and more you keep saying these things, regardless if they're positive or negative, it's gonna become what you believe in. It's gonna be a part of your belief system. So one thing that I'm trying to prioritize for the next 30 days, every single morning, I wanna go through my morning affirmations and visualization. So as I'm telling myself these affirmations, as I tell myself I'm successful, I'm patient, I'm disciplined, I'm a great content creator, I'm speaking these words to myself, I'm also visualizing my dreams. I'm visualizing me sitting in the Lambo. I'm visualizing me making content and getting 1 million views. I'm visualizing me editing a video, posting it, and getting 1 million views. I'm visualizing me counting $100,000. I'm visualizing my dreams as I'm telling myself that I'm going to achieve it, as I tell myself I can do it. Doing those 2 things every single day, every single morning, is gonna start my day off amazing. It's gonna keep me motivated, and it's gonna show me what my purpose is every single day, and it's gonna keep me with the confidence that I need to be able to finish the challenge at the end of the month. The 6th thing that I'm gonna be doing is selling my services every single day. Now, this is something that can kind of go into the other categories, such as posting 1 YouTube video or posting 1 reel a day, because I'm also gonna be promoting services in there. I'm also going to be promoting my services, promoting my mentorships, promoting my courses, promoting the VIP trading network. I'm going to be promoting all of that in the YouTube videos in the reels. So it's kind of two birds, one stone type of thing. So as long as I'm posting YouTube videos, as long as I'm posting reels, I will indirectly sell my services. And the reason I want to sell my services is just like everything else. For you to be good at something, you got to do it in repetition. For me to get good at sales, for me to get good at marketing, I'm going to have to do a lot more of it. I'm going to have to get more consistent. I'm going to have to sell more. I'm going to have to get better at marketing, learn more skills. These are all things that take time. So just like anything, if I want to get more course sales, if I want to have more people join the VIP trading network, if I want more people to sign up for my mentorship, I need to be good at sales. I need to be good at marketing. And I need to be constantly putting myself in front of people. I need to be constantly trying to sell my products to the people that want the product. And that's something I need to do for the next 30 days along with everything else. And the last and final thing, the seventh thing that I'm going to be doing every single day that's going to ensure that after this 30 days is done, I'm going to be a completely different person, is following my trade rules every single day. Now, yes, this is something I already should be doing, but that doesn't mean I do. It doesn't mean I'm going to be 100% disciplined and consistent for the next 30 days, but that is what I'm aiming for. I have never gone 30 days of never making a mistake. I haven't gone 30 days 100% following my rules, not making one small mistake. But that's what I'm going to be aiming for with this 30 days, because I know it's possible. Everything I need to do, I can do. Everything I want to do, I can do. It just comes down to me wanting to do it enough. If I want to follow my rules, if I want to go to the gym every day, if I want to post a video every day, I can do it. It comes down to, am I going to do it? I have everything I need, but that doesn't mean I'm going to actually get it. You can have everything, every ingredient you need to make that perfect recipe. But if you don't know how to cook it, if you don't have the experience to make it come out how it's supposed to, that doesn't mean it's going to be good. And it's the same thing. We have everything we need, but are we going to allow ourselves to achieve it? As long as I follow these 7 things every single day for the next 30 days, I guarantee myself I'm going to come out with more views, more subscribers, more money, more confidence, and I'm gonna be a more disciplined and consistent person, and I'm gonna be a little husky. I ain't gonna lie. If I'm going to the gym 30 days straight, I'm gonna be a little husky. But that's not the goal. I'm not going to the gym to be husky. I'm going to build the characteristics. I'm going to build the traits of discipline and consistency. So let's get straight to it. So as of right now, we already did our morning affirmations. All right, so as of right now, the daily priorities are post a YouTube video, which is, I'm in the middle of recording that right now. Post one reel, which was already posted. We didn't work out yet, and we followed the trade rules, which is done. And we did our morning affirmations and visualization before everything else. So the main things I gotta do today so far is I gotta post my video, promote my services, and go to the gym still. So that's what we're about to start working on right now. God damn it. And this shit look like it's starting to play out. Man, I told y'all, if this shit go to TP, I'm gonna be a little sick. But nonetheless, at least it'll show that the strategy and system all plays out. It literally came to my stop loss to the pit, but it is what it is. All right, so right now I'm on my way to, I'm about to smoke with my girl on her break. It's about 12:50 right now, so we still got some time. She gets off of work at 4, so I'm about to slide to her on her break. Smoke, chill, it's a little break for me, and then when I get back, I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to continue recording, you know what I'm saying? Got to get this content for y'all. And yeah, then we just go continue doing what we're doing, and then I'm going to start editing this vlog. So that is what my day is looking like right now. I got about a 10-minute drive, 10-15 minute drive. And then yeah, that's really what it is. I'm about to put on a podcast, make sure I'm staying focused, staying productive at the end of the day. The one thing I want you guys to always remember is the one way to avoid depression, the one way to avoid anxiety is stay busy. The best way to overcome overthinking, overstress is to have a plan and to stick to it. Stick to the plan and follow it every single day. Because if you know what you're waking up to do, if you know what your purpose is, you're never going to be lost. You're never going to be confused. No matter how shitty you may feel, you're going to know what needs to be done. And that's what you need to do as a man. Women too, but majority of you guys are men, and majority of you that are going through the life that I'm going through and the problems that I go through are men also. So that's why you guys specifically need to understand that. This car, what you trying to do, car? This is a merge lane. Merge lane, nigga. Get out my way, bitch ass boy. Yeah, the main thing that I've learned from the years of struggling, years of going through experiences, learning what I need to learn is stay busy. I think Bryce Gump was just stay busy, bro. Stay productive. That's why I stay productive. Stay doing something. Keep your mind focused. You gotta keep going, man. Just stay focused. Keep on the path. Follow your plan and do what you gotta do. And that's what I'm doing exactly right now. The way I'm gonna get this card. The way I'm gonna get this plan that I have right here sitting on my dashboard is by following the plan and doing what I'm supposed to every single fucking day.
The only thing that can cause you to worry during your test is trying successful lives. Start today. You have nothing to lose, but you have a life to win.
So I just finished this video. I just showed you guys the title of it. If you want to watch it, go into join the private inner circle in the description. It's the free trading group chat. I sent it to everybody so they could also listen to it. But mainly it was just talking about paying the price that you need to for the things that you want, paying the price you need to for your goals. And it really stuck out to me because majority of the video he was talking about a 30-day challenge, which is, call it a coincidence, it just so happens to be what I'm doing right now. Maybe it was just good timing, coincidental, or maybe it was just meant to be. Maybe I was meant to stumble upon that video and send it to everybody else. But he was saying a lot of the things that I agree with the reasoning behind starting a 30-day challenge to become a better person, so that by the time it's over, you can continue doing it, and you won't even recognize who you are no more. And that's really what I'm trying to go for with this challenge. But it really just been reinforcing what I've been saying, the reason behind it, and it just gives me more reason to go hard, more reason to do what I'm supposed to and get this shit done. I'm actually gonna also make a postcard. It's like a postcard, or get like a sticky note for my pocket to have my goals and everything, because he also talked about I need to be able to see my goals anytime throughout the day. The more times I think about it, the more likely it's gonna happen. I become what I think about, and that's what I was saying earlier. Everything he was saying was just music to my ears. Appreciate everyone for watching this video. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Make sure you check the links in the description if you want to join the VIP trading network, where we trade live. You guys get our signals live and you get to trade with us live, get that one-on-one experience live. Make sure you check the link in the description. The free trading course that'll teach you everything you need to know to get the basics of trading. It's also in the description. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for the next vlog coming up, and we're going to have a good week. Let's have a good one.